2025 Kia EV9 GT hits the track as a high-performance 3-row EV. The Kia EV9 GT has been spied and it's expected to have a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with at least 576 HP. The Kia EV9 has been a smashing success and it could be named World Car of the Year and World Electric Vehicle later this week. Those titles would be a big honor, but Kia isn't slowing down as they're developing a high-performance variant known as the EV9 GT. Recently spied undergoing testing on the Nürburgring, the prototype has ditched heavy cladding for a more form-fitting camouflage wrap. Thanks to this change, we can see the model will closely resemble the EV9 GT line as it has a familiar front bumper with vertical intakes. The déjà vu design continues further back, although the prototype wears digital side mirrors that aren't offered in the United States. More notably, the model rides on 5-spoke wheels that aren't aerodynamically optimized. They also appear to cover an upgraded braking system, which features yellow calipers out back. Speaking of the rear, it appears to carry over from the GT line untouched. However, the production model may incorporate some changes to help distinguish the two trims. Spy photographers haven't gotten a look inside, but the cabin should be familiar and include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment system, and a 5-inch climate display. We can also expect stainless steel pedals and Syntex seats with GT logos. Kia has been tight-lipped about the performance variant, but the current EV9 GT line has a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with a combined output of 379 HP, 283 kW/384 PS, and 516 lb-ft, 699 nanometers, of torque. This enables the crossover to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 96 kilometers per hour, in 5 seconds flat, before hitting a top speed of 124 miles per hour 200 kilometers per hour. The model also has a 99.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack that provides an EPA range of 270 miles, 435 kilometers per hour. That being said, the EV9 GT will likely take a cue from the EV6 GT. The latter model has a dual-motor all-wheel drive system producing 576 HP, 430 kilowatts/584 PS, and 545 lb-ft, 738 nanometers, of torque.